In this video, we're going to be tackling one of the biggest challenges for dropshippers in 2023, creating viral TikTok ads that actually convert into profitable sales for your dropshipping store. We should all know by now that running bad ads can result in high CPMs and CPCs, causing you to burn through your advertising budget quickly. So if you want to avoid wasting your time and money, then it's crucial to have great ads from the start. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you two methods for creating high converting TikTok ads, a free method and a paid method. Whether you have no budget to invest in marketing or you're looking for the best way to hire someone else to make your TikTok ads, this video is going to cover everything you need to know. Throughout this tutorial, I'll be creating TikTok ads for this product, a heated eyelash curler. My goal is to make $10,000 in the next 2 weeks by dropshipping this product for a challenge I'm doing on my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I built a Shopify store for this product and the website came out perfect. Now it's time to take it to the next level, so let's jump right into it and start creating TikTok ads for this product using both the free method and the paid method. I'm going to show you my favorite method to get viral ads for free, and that is to look for other dropshippers selling your product, spy on the TikTok ads they are running, and download their best performing videos to use for your own ad campaigns. Reusing a video ad that's already proven to go viral will have a high probability of succeeding again, since you can skip out on most of the content editing and testing phase. However, there are a few issues with this strategy. Issue number one, it's kind of unethical since you're basically stealing videos from your competitors, but you can't deny it's common practice that many beginners take. Issue number two is most sponsored dropshipping ads you'll come across will have 0 likes, since most advertisers don't use Spark ads, making it hard to measure if a ad is doing well or not. Issue number three, if TikTok's system detects ripped or duplicated content, your ad campaigns may perform poorly. TikTok will punish you with high CPMs, CPCs, and very low impressions. Luckily, there are ways to overcome all these issues with simple solutions, so follow along to see how I make viral TikTok ads for free. First, open the TikTok app and search for your product. In this example, I'm going to search for the heated eyelash curler. Next, scroll through the search results and find TikTok posts that are sponsored. We're going to ignore all the organic posts for this method. For example, I found this post and as you can see, it is a sponsored TikTok ad. I'm going to like the video to bookmark it. That way I could check back on this post later on. Keep scrolling until you find at least 10 different ads. If you're struggling to find different ads, be sure to take breaks and do research later on in the day or night, because you may come across different ads due to advertisers day parting. Once you have at least 10 like videos, select the top 3 most popular ones to repurpose. So if any of these videos have 0 views and likes, wait for about 2 days to see if they gain traction. You might notice that some of these videos pop off and become more popular, which you can then use for repurposing. So in my case, I'm gonna choose these videos because they're performing well. I'm gonna copy the links and then go to snaptik.com to paste the links to download the TikTok videos without a watermark. Next, go to CapCut.com, which is a free video editor owned by TikTok. It's very easy to edit videos with this online tool. I'm going to import the first video and start doing some edits on it. Since this was originally a high-performing TikTok ad, I'm not going to change the script or spend too much time editing since it already has everything I need, including a call to action, which is great. Remember, the main purpose of editing the video is to make it unique in TikTok's eyes. I don't want the system to detect this video as stolen, otherwise I'll be punished with high CPMs and CPCs. Making enough changes on the video will help you overcome this issue, so let's get to it. First, I want to apply a filter to the video to modify its pixels. I like to use a high saturation filter and reduce the intensity to 10% to give the video a slightly different look. But changing the filter slightly isn't enough to bypass detection. I'm going to make some more changes here and also aim to make this video a little better, because why not? Next, I noticed this video has background music and is using the famous Jesse text-to-speech voice. I'm actually going to right-click the video and delete the original audio. Adding a different background song and voice will help prevent detection for ripped content, since the audio will be completely different in the final edit. Now I'm going to add a new text overlay, match the text in the video. It's important to use the left and right arrow keys to move frame by frame to get an exact match, I can either put the new text over the original text. That way I can use different fonts and colors for my version of the video. Just be sure to have a text background to help cover it better. Or I could simply lower the opacity to 0% to make this invisible if I only want to use the text-to-speech audio. It's your choice to do what you want. Next, I'm going to click text-to-speech and hit apply. This will add a audio file. You need to do this for every scene containing text, so I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have the text-to-speech turned on, I'm gonna head over to audio and choose a new background song. I think this song here will work well. Okay, so now the video and audio is completely fresh. Feel free to add clips or transitions if you wish, and be sure there's actually a call to action in the end. If not, you could easily add one. Now I can export this video and repeat the same process for the other two videos, and just like that, I made 3 creatives that are ready to be used for my TikTok ad campaigns, all for free. This method could work great if done correctly, but it has its risks and limitations as it's still gray hat. Nonetheless, it's a good option for those on a budget or experimenting with things. Method number 2, the paid method. Hiring a TikTok creator to make ads for you is the best option if you don't want to go through the process of scripting, recording, and editing videos yourself. With the right person, you could get high converting dropshipping ads for a very reasonable price. Plus, they'll make fresh content just for you and your product, so you never have to worry about copyright or overused clips. However, there are 3 common issues to consider when dealing with creators, so let's go over them quickly. First, you might get low quality ads due to their inexperience with dropshipping, or because they're simply too lazy to give their best efforts. Second, communication can be frustrating if creators don't respond to your message, respond too slow, or when they have trouble following your simple directions on how to make your ads. You won't believe how common these issues are. Lastly, the cost of hiring creators can be troubling for some people due to increasing costs, budget constraints, and unclear pricing terms. Anyways, the best way to overcome all these issues is to simply hire a TikTok creator from a trusted agency that specializes in making dropshipping ads. There are many agencies out there, but the one that stood out to me the most is Dropify Ads, which I have personally used many times before on this channel with successful results. I'm actually going to place an order with Dropify Ads in this video to see what we get, which is going to be interesting to see. And by the way, they're also sponsoring this video, so if you've never heard of them, I'll let my AI friend explain them to you in 60 seconds.
This video is sponsored by Dropify Ads, the hottest TikTok video ads agency for dropshippers. Are you tired of struggling with high TikTok advertising costs? Well then stop ripping your competitors' videos. At dropifyads.com, you can hire a hot model using your product to create high-converting TikTok ads. And that is a proven strategy to drive sales for your business. The process is simple. Just send your product quickly to us by using Amazon Prime, and our team of young and beautiful TikTok creators will handle the rest. We'll take care of recording, scripting, and editing for you the best TikTok video ads for any product you send us. Selling a fire diffuser? We got this. Selling a lip plumper? Not a problem. But wait, here's the best part. Our low prices are such a steal. You could get 3 TikTok video ads for only $120, while all of our competitors charge double. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. So visit dropifyads.com to get started. The link is in the description.
Okay, so I'm going to place an order with Dropify Ads now. I'm going to choose the 3 TikTok video ads for $120, which is priced insanely low. Now I need to answer a few questions here. Since I have a female product, I'm going to choose the hot female model option. And since I want my videos delivered ASAP, I'm going to pay extra for express delivery. This is optional. I don't need the raw clips for now, so I'm going to skip out on that option. Here I'll paste a link to my website, and over here I can leave a note for the creator to read. You could give them tips or video scripts, but I'm gonna skip that because I trust their process since they're trained for this. Now I need to complete the payment, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just placed the order and received this email. I got the creator's name and address, so now I'm gonna ship the product to her using Amazon Prime. She should be getting it in the mail tomorrow, and then she'll take care of everything, the scripting, the recording, and editing. I'll update you guys once I receive the videos. Okay, so I just received the videos. Let's check it out. video. These videos are perfect. I love the hook she used. It grabbed my attention. The video production and script is great, and they added a call to action on the end, which is going to help make this ad perform better. Overall, I am extremely satisfied with this service. I rate it a 10 out of 10. If you want to use Dropify Ads, the link is in the description. I highly recommend it. Now that you understand how to create viral TikTok ads using the free method and paid method, it's time for us to move on to the next step, which is setting up the paid TikTok ad campaigns. You guys will see the results of these 6 creatives we made. My goal is to make $10,000 in the next 2 weeks selling this product, and if I fail this challenge, then I'm deleting my YouTube channel. Click here to watch the next video to learn how to set up paid TikTok ads. Click the end screen to see what happens next in this challenge.